notice we had, right, I've not put anything on this chart, right? I'm gonna talk about it and then I'll put it on and then you can see. Okay, so notice we had a gap on dollar CAD and price was coming down. Price was coming down. Price came to a level. This is an up candle, right? And then this closed above that. Okay, and then we went up one more, and then this one turned around and then it became a bearish candle. And it did something like this, and then it went through it, right? Here, right, get your pens and papers ready. The fact that we were able to close above this high, okay, the fact that we were able to close above that high, that was an indication that someone had some money. They were trying to buy. Okay, that's what it is saying. Someone had some money, they were trying to buy, but someone overshadowed them. So let's say I was buying here, and then my cousin sold it more, and then price rejected. This, when this happens, when you see this, that's when you start seeing on RSI or stochastic or whatever. This is when you start seeing divergence happening. So when they do try to buy here, price goes down, then another one will form here, right? We close above it, it goes up. Oh, I've run out of space. And then price comes back down again. Okay, so this will be down candles, and then make another low. This is when you start seeing divergence. So with the with what you're seeing here, okay, if I pull the RSI, you should start seeing some form of a divergence down here. But notice I did not see it, but I'm just showing you how you can view it in price. So we had right here between this and that, notice price is diverging. I'm sorry, the indicator is diverging. It's making a higher low whilst this is making a lower low. That's the basis of a divergence, and that's when you start seeing that someone with money is coming in the market. Okay, someone has money, they're trying to buy. So anytime it makes a new low, what's going on? Let me use that one. Where's dollar CAD? Where is my dollar CAD? Can't find my dollar CAD. Where's my dollar CAD? Oh, there it is. Oh dear. Right, let's put it on here. Hopefully I can draw. Okay, so if I click, right, someone with big money is coming in the market. So anytime it goes below a low, what they're doing is they're buying more. They're buying more, and that's why price is doing is going down with the divergence, because they are accumulating longs. Okay, and then once price, so if you do understand Wyckoff theory, that's the basic of the buying climax, sorry, the selling climax, the ST. If you have another ST, and then you do have the spring, and then price will break and give you the markup. So this is a form of accumulation. When you start seeing this, just be patient. Like what's happening now, just be patient with it. Okay, at some point it will break one of the highs that is forming, and what I mean by break is it's gonna close above it. Okay, So once it closes above it, you should start seeing price going up, okay, because they've accumulated, with this helping you to see that accumulation. Because what is happening here, someone tried to buy and then they dropped it. Here is when they showed true intention of buying. Now notice that between this and that, there's a divergence, right? There's a divergence, because this should have formed a new low, but it didn't. Okay, so that's the form of divergence, and then it can go up and make another low and keep going lower, but just have to know that this is accumulation. So similarly to what this one is doing, okay, they started buying from here, right? They started buying from there. Notice that since then it's making lower lows, but this is making higher lows, right? It's making higher lows. So it's an indication that someone with big money is trying to buy, but they don't have probably enough orders to take price up. So until we break above a high, this thing is going to keep doing what it's doing, and we just have to be patient with it. Okay, so be patient with it, let it show you that it wants to go up, and once it breaks, that's it, they're going to take it up because they've accumulated in here, and price should go up.